Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. First, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Huzaima and my partner is Dini Rahma. Class Science Al-Quran and Tafsir, the Faculty of Usuluddin and Islamic Law of Padang Kota State Islamic University. The respectable Mr. Yuli Asmala Kurnia, SPD. First of all, let's first pray and praise the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has bestowed His grant and guidance so that we can carry out the words presentation meeting. Alright, we went to deliver a presentation with the title, Good Creator and Adam is Himag, which will be explained by my partner Dini Rahma.
Thank you, moderator. Okay, I will explain the abstract material. God created Adam in his image. He had 160 cubits. When he had created him, he said to him, "Go and salute that group," meaning a group of angels sitting, "and listen to how they answer for your salutation and the salutation of your seed." So he went and said, "Peace be upon you." They said, "Peace be upon you and the mercy of God." They added, "The mercy of God, everyone who enters Paradise will be in the images of Adam. Many have not kissed to be shorter until now. Will at the seed Hadith report tell us that God created Adam in his images. In one from the Hadith reports of her, in other from report moral of tin. It goes on to describe his gin stature 60 cubits, or it is offered in explanation of why one must not strike someone which alternatively answered it. The connection with striking the feet hardly makes sense unless the transmitters of this version talk that Adam was created in God's images, so that striking the feet was tantamount to striking God. The point. Number 1, God created Adam in his image. 2, God created man in his image. 3, if one of you fix someone fights because Allah created Adam in his image. 4, don't let him say, "May God leave you feet and the feet of anyone who resembles yours," because God created Adam in his image. Okay, I will continue the presentation of the material.
Thanks. Okay, I will continue the presentation of material. Hadis. Dari Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu anhu, Nabi Shallallahu alaihi wasallam bersabda, "Khalaqallahu azza wa jalla Adama ala suratihi tuluhu situ fi ra'a." Allah azza wa jalla menciptakan Adam dalam bentuknya. Tinggi beliau 60 hasta. Hadis riwayat Bukhari nomor 6227, Muslim nomor 2841. Dalam riwayat Muslim, idza qatala ahadukum akhahu falyatanibi al-wajha fa innallaha khalaqa adama ala suratihi. Jika kalian saling berkelahi dengan saudaranya, karena Allah Azza wa Jalla menciptakan Adam dalam bentuknya. Hadis riwayat Muslim nomor 2612. Will the next material is explained by my partner Isdini Rahma.
Argument. Again, it's a part of the background of the Quran. They then say adding controversy over the hadith about the creation of Adam in the images of God. The Quran constantly comment one stories in such a figurative way that it can barely introduce them for the first time to earliest audition. And story of the angel frost starting to Adam is just one of many such stories. They do not ever in the canonical Bible, but Apple outside the now Bible literature. Okay, I will continue the moderator.
Thanks. Okay, I will continue the presentation. Conclusion. Law in an elaborated tale of creating Adam in imago before God bellows him up spirit into him. Al-Talabi did say that the angels marveled at the beauty her image, had never seen anything like it, which didn't seem to meet her being in imago of good. The presence of the angels is Sujud Talim wa Ta'liya al-Talabi. A Talabi story about the parade of the street of Adam before the angels is related to the foremost report of the Quran that Allah commanded the angels to prostrate to Adam. This causes some concern among the interparents because the Quran still forbids sharing the divine honors with another creatures. Satan refuses and has sometimes been recognized in the F tradition for his extraordinary fidelity, except as expulsion from heaven rather than submit to anything but good. The life of Adam and Eve, a Jew or a Christian from sometime before AD 600 in the surviving Latin version, would expressly command the angels to prostrate to Adam, because he was created in the image of Allah. Will the devil does not wait to prostrate himself straight because he had been created before Adam. This seems to be so common among Christian students, although not yet students from the Quran, that the story of the Quran presupposes this apocryphal that all of presentation hopefully the material is useful in all lyrics in his world and the hereafter. As humans, we realize that we cannot avoid mistakes, so we apologize to all of you, and I don't forget to thank you very much for your keen attention. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.